Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive?
Always. What are we digging into today?
Well, we're heading into the world of skincare tech. Specifically, this little gadget that's been making waves online. The Medicube Age-R Booster H.
Ooh, I've seen that one popping up everywhere.
Right, so we're going straight to the source, the Amazon product description, and all those juicy user reviews. Gotta see what the hype is all about, right?
Definitely. So, for those who haven't encountered it yet, what exactly does this thing claim to do?
Okay, so imagine this. A handheld device that promises to supercharge your skincare routine, A&D, give you that coveted glass skin glow. All that in one little package.
Sounds impressive. But how?
It's all about boosting absorption, apparently. Like really getting those serums and moisturizers to penetrate deep into your skin.
Interesting. I'm always a bit skeptical of those instant results claims, though.
Me too.
But the product description does mention a brighter complexion after just one use. They're not shying away from bold statements. Yeah, that's definitely eye-catching. But they're also throwing in the classic results may vary disclaimer, right?
Oh, absolutely. They got to cover their bases.
Yeah.
But honestly, that makes sense. We all have different skin types and concerns. What works wonders for one person might do nothing for another. That's the tricky thing with skincare.
Exactly. So let's get to the good stuff. What are actual users saying about this device?
Okay, get this. There's a review where someone compares the feeling to a microcurrent facial. Like their skin felt lifted and firmer afterwards.
Whoa, hold on. That's a pretty bold comparison. Microcurrent facials work by stimulating the muscles, right?
Exactly. They use these low-level electrical currents to tone and sculpt the face. So for this user to get that microcurrent-like effect from the Booster H, that's pretty interesting.
It is. It suggests this device might be impacting the deeper layers of the skin, not just working superficially. Maybe that's why some users are seeing results so quickly.
Right. And it's not just the younger crowd raving about it either. There's a review from a 67-year-old woman who said she saw improvement in her jowls and marionette lines.
Wow. Those are areas that tend to sag with age, right? If this device can actually address those concerns, that's huge.
It is. And when you look at the positive reviews overall, there's a common thread. Improved absorption of skincare products. People are saying their usual moisturizer feels more hydrating, their serums seem to be working better. Like the device is giving their entire routine a boost.
Makes sense. If your products are better absorbed, they can potentially work more effectively, and that could mean getting more out of those expensive serums and treatments.
Totally. And it all circles back to that glass skin effect, right? That luminous, almost translucent complexion that everyone's after.
Absolutely. Skincare products play a big role in achieving that, but better absorption could definitely take things to the next level.
It seems like this device is tapping into a major trend. The rise of at-home beauty tech. I mean, think about it. It's currently the #2 best-selling wrinkle and anti-aging device on Amazon.
It makes total sense, though. People are busier than ever, but still want to take care of their skin. Devices like this offer a convenient and potentially effective solution. It's like bringing the spa experience right to your bathroom.
Exactly. So what can we conclude about the Medicube Age-R Booster H? Well, it's definitely more than just a passing fad. The combination of technology, positive user reviews, and its popularity all point to a potentially game-changing product.
But I think it raises a bigger question. What does the surge in at-home beauty tech tell us about the future of the beauty industry? Are we heading towards a future where personalized skincare solutions are readily available to everyone? What other cool innovations are just around the corner?
Such good points. It's definitely an exciting time for skincare tech. And speaking of staying on top of the latest gadgets, make sure you subscribe to Tech Gadgets Finder on YouTube.
You don't want to miss out on all the cool tech we break down, just like we did with the Medicube Booster H today.
The link is in the description below. And hey, if you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and let us know what you think in the comments. We love hearing from you guys.
Thanks for joining us.
Until next time.